Many home cooks struggle to achieve restaurant quality steak, often ending up with dry, overcooked, or flavorless results. Traditional methods rely on guesswork, but sous vide cooking eliminates uncertainty by using precise temperature control. Imagine a steak that's perfectly juicy from edge to edge, just like your favorite steakhouse. This video will guide you through 3 essential sous vide techniques to make that dream a reality. Sous vide, French for under vacuum, involves sealing food in a bag and cooking it in a precisely controlled water bath. Unlike traditional methods where heat fluctuates, sous vide maintains a consistent temperature, ensuring even doneness throughout the meat. This low and slow approach preserves moisture and enhances tenderness. Whether you prefer rare or medium, sous vide guarantees perfection every time. The key to sous vide success is selecting the right temperature for your desired doneness. For example, 54 degrees Celsius, 100 yields a perfect medium rare, while 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit achieves medium. Thicker cuts may require longer cooking times, but the temperature remains constant. Use a reliable sous vide machine and always verify the water temperature before cooking. This precision ensures your steak turns out exactly how you like it. Seasoning is crucial for enhancing the steak's natural flavors. Generously coat both sides with kosher salt, about 1% of the meat's weight, and freshly ground black pepper. For extra depth, add garlic powder, thyme, or rosemary. Seal the steak in a vacuum bag or use the water displacement method to remove air pockets. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes before cooking to allow the salt to penetrate deeply. Air pockets in the bag can cause uneven cooking and floating. To prevent this, use the water displacement method. Slowly lower the sealed bag into the water, letting the pressure push out excess air before closing it completely. Alternatively, invest in a vacuum sealer for a foolproof seal. Proper packaging ensures consistent heat transfer and perfect results. A high-heat sear creates the irresistible crust that defines a great steak. Pat the cooked steak dry with paper towels to ensure maximum browning. Heat a cast iron skillet or grill to smoking hot, then sear each side for 30 to 60 seconds with a touch of oil or butter. For added flavor, baste with garlic and herbs during the sear. This step locks in juices and delivers a professional finish. Side by side, sous vide steak outperforms traditional methods in juiciness, tenderness, and even doneness. While pan frying risks overcooking the exterior, sous vide ensures uniformity from edge to edge. The sear adds texture without compromising the interior. See the difference in the cross-section. A perfect pink center versus the uneven gradients of conventional cooking. Avoid over-searing, which can undo sous vide's tenderness. Don't skip drying the steak before searing, as moisture prevents browning. For thicker cuts, extend cooking time by 30 minutes per inch. Always let the steak rest for 5 minutes after searing to redistribute juices. With these tips, you'll master sous vide like a chef. You've learned the 3 pillars of sous vide perfection: precise temperature, expert seasoning, and a flawless sear. No more dry or uneven steaks, just restaurant-quality results every time. Grab your ingredients, fire up the sous vide, and tag us in your #SousVideSuccess. The journey to the perfect steak starts now.